Well, if you're wondering why I am here today with a sipper, well, because today's video is going to be a long one. Don't worry, but it is equally important because we will be talking about the top 50 best management colleges after class 12. So whether you're preparing for IP Math, CUET, NPAT, SET, or any other management interest, this video will help you shortlist the colleges that you should be targeting. So without wasting any time, let's begin. On number 1, we have the college that started it all. IIM Indore introduced India's first IPM program in 2011, and this continues to be the benchmark for management education after class 12. Next is IIM Shillong. While its IPM is one of the newest UG programs among the IIMs offering IPM, it's backed by an institution with a strong national and international reputation. At number 3 is IIM Kozhikode. Unlike most colleges, it offers 4-year Bachelor's of Management Studies instead of an IPM program. It combines management with interdisciplinary minors like AI, economics and psychology. On 4th is IIM Ranchi, offering 5-year IPM program, offers IP Math Indore scorecard. It was among the early IIMs to expand UG management education beyond Indore, making it one of the most established IPM options today. 5. Unlike other IIMs, IIM Rohtak conducts its own entrance exam, IP Math Rohtak, and this exam tests your speed, accuracy, playing a crucial role in your final selection. Now, if international business interests you, IIFT stands apart. Best known for producing global business leaders, it now offers IPM program, bringing that same international business focus to UG education. On number 7, coming to ROI, very few colleges can compete with Shahid Sukhdev. Admission is through CUET, and despite government level fees, it consistently attracts top recruiters for UG management roles. 8 up, we have IIM Amritsar offering IPM, accepts IP Math Indore scorecard. It's among the newer IIMs that have recently entered the UG management field. At number 9 is IIM Bodh Gaya, accepts Zip Math score. Established under the mentorship of IIM Calcutta, it has quickly expanded its academic offerings, including IPM. 10. We have IIM Jammu. Like IIM Bodh Gaya, Jammu also admits students through Zip Math scores. On number 11, IIM Bangalore takes a different approach with its BBA in Digital Business and Entrepreneurship. Designed around business, technology and entrepreneurship, it is one of the most few UG programs from an old IIM focused in the digital economy. 12th, NMIMS Mumbai. Now, School of Commerce is among the most popular private destination for BBA aspirants. Admission is through NPAT, and its Mumbai location provides students with strong industry exposure. On 13, TAPMI Manipal, one of the few private institutes offering an IPM program. Admissions are accepted through multiple entrance scores, making it a strong alternative for students targeting IPM outside the IIMs. Heading to South India, Christ University has built its reputation through academic discipline, multiple BBA specialization, and a structured learning environment. Going down north, established in 1869, on number 15, we have St. Xavier's Mumbai, one of the India's oldest and most prestigious colleges. Its BMS program continues to attract some of the brightest commerce and management aspirants in the country. On number 16, again is NMIMS, but this time School of Business focuses on specialized UG business programs. Admission again is through NPAT with a curriculum designed around industry-oriented management education. Now came CHO. On number 17, we have Nirma University offering an integrated BBA MBA program, and this has steadily emerged as one of the Gujarat's leading private management institutes. It accepts IP Math Indore score and Indore score. At number 18, IFMR at Kriya University has been long recognized for finance and economics. Its UG management program reflects the same analytical approach, making it a popular choice for students interested in finance. Number 19, the beloved Symbiosis Pune, the flagship UG Management Institute, Symbiosis University. Admission is through SET and it is one of the most recognized private BBA programs in the country. Rounding off the top 20 is Jamia Millia Islamia. As a central university, it offers quality management education at a significantly lower cost than most private universities, making it one of the best value for money option. Now, let's move beyond the IIMs and some of the top private universities. The next set includes some of the best alternatives in the country, and if you are preparing for CUET, pay close attention to this part of the list. 21. IIM Sambalpur. Instead of a traditional IPM, it offers a bachelor's program in management and public policy, making it one of the few IIMs to combine management with public policy at the UG level. 22 is IIM Sirmaur. It offers a 4-year Bachelor's of Management Studies, giving students another opportunity to earn a UG degree from an IIM and not an integrated program. At number 23 is Nalsa University. While it's best known for legal education, its integrated BBA MBA program has become another interesting option for management aspirants. At 24 is NFSIU. If you are looking beyond a conventional BBA, NFSU combines management with specialized fields like forensic science, cybersecurity, and homeland security. Now, quickly moving to the Delhi University, if you are preparing for CUET, the next few colleges should definitely be on your radar. 25, starting with Deen Dayal Upadhyay College, one of DU's established colleges offering the BMS program. Next is Sri Guru Gobind Singh College of Commerce, a college that's built an excellent reputation in commerce and business education over the years. Then comes Keshav Mahavidyalaya, another popular destination for students targeting BMS through CUET. Moving to Chennai, on number 28 is Loyola College. Established in 1925, it's one of the South India's most respected institutions for UG education. Also from Chennai is Madras Christian College. Founded in 1837, it's among India's oldest colleges and continues to enjoy a strong academic reputation. From Eastern India, St. Xavier's College, Kolkata remains one of the region's most prestigious institutions for commerce and management education. Now, Amchi, Mumbai, let's head to Mumbai, a city that's home to some of India's most recognized UG, commerce and management colleges. On number 31 is Narsi Munji College of Commerce and Economics, one of Mumbai's most respected commerce institute. Then coming back to DU, College of Vocational Studies continues to be another solid BMS option for CUET aspirants. Moving to Bangalore, Mount Carmel College offers BBA program across multiple specializations and has built a strong reputation over the years. Another DU name worth considering is Aryabhatta College, which offers the BMS program again through CUET. Now, if you are targeting IP University, Maharaja Surajmal Institute remains one of the most recognized colleges for BBA. Number 36 is HR College, has long been recognized as one of city's premier commerce college with excellent industry exposure. In the line, another Mumbai favorite is Jai Hind College, an autonomous institution known for its UG program and active student life. Then we have Mithibai College, part of the SVKM group, continues to be a popular choice among students for UG business education. 39 from Pune, Ferguson College brings with it a legacy of over 140 years and remains one of India's most respected higher educational institutions. Rounding off this section is SP Jain Global. Its global BBA program allows students to study across multiple international campuses, making it one of the most globally oriented UG management programs in India. Finally, let's wrap up with some colleges that may not always be the first choice for every aspirant but can still be excellent options depending on your budget, preferred city, and career goals. At number 41 is Presidency College, Bangalore, a well-known private institution offering UG management program with a strong presence in South India. Next is Stella Maris College, Chennai, one of India's leading women's college known for its strong academic legacy and UG programs. Also from Chennai is Ethiraj College for Women, established over a century ago. It continues to be one of the city's most respected institutions for commerce and management education. From Kerala, we have St. Thomas College, Thrissur, one of state's oldest higher education institution. And finally, if you are considering premium private universities that offer a different style of UG education, these are some of the biggest names in the country. 45, Ashoka University. While it doesn't offer a traditional BBA, students interested in business can combine economics, finance and entrepreneurship through its multidisciplinary liberal arts curriculum. Next is Shiv Nadar University. Its School of Management and Entrepreneurship offers UG programs with a strong emphasis on interdisciplinary learning, innovation and research. Then comes OP Jindal Global University. Through Jindal Global Business School, students can pursue specialized BBA programs with international collaborations and a global curriculum. At number 48 is Jain University, Bengaluru. It offers one of the widest range of BBA specializations, allowing students to choose programs based on their career interests. Second last is UPES Dehradun. The university focuses on industry-oriented education, offering BBA programs with specialization in areas like business analytics, digital marketing and logistics. And rounding off our list is Flame University, Pune. Built around a liberal education model, Flame gives students the flexibility to combine management with disciplines like economics, psychology and communications. Now, if this video helped you discover a college you hadn't considered before, let me know in the comments which one caught your attention, and if you think there's a college that deserves a place on the list, I would love to hear your opinion. I'll see you in the next one.